Welcome back to the channel, everyone. A few months ago, actually a lot of months ago, back in April, I ordered a TurboXS blow-off valve, the RFL blow-off valve from GC Tuner, which it wasn't their problem, it was a supply issue, but I never got it. It stayed on back order for months and months and months, and then the whole COVID thing was going on, so, and it's still going on, but I just couldn't get the valve. So about a week ago, one of you actually reached out to me through Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, take a look. It's just at Vehicle Evolution. Follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of things there before they actually hit this channel, so you get a little bit of a sneak peek on things. But anyway, one of you actually reached out to me and said, hey, I have one of these valves. I put it on my car. I live in California. It's too loud. We're not allowed to have fun in California, so you want it? And I was like, yeah, absolutely I want it. So real quick exchange, paid for it, shipped out, came in yesterday, and we have it here now. So what I'm going to do here, this is going to be a real quick install video. If you haven't seen my video on how to install the HKS blow-off valve, this is the same exact thing, it's just a different blow-off valve. So we're going to go through it relatively quickly. I'll show you a before and after what the HKS blow-off valve sounds like, and then what this TurboXS one sounds like. So I'm really expecting it to be loud, more of a whoosh sound. So that's what I'm hoping for. Let's get into it and see what we get. So this is a really easy mod to do. You just have 3 bolts, 2 up here, 1 on the bottom. We'll disconnect this hose and probably reuse that, and then all we're doing is putting the new blow-off valve in place of this one. For those of you who haven't seen the other video, my hose goes directly to my intake manifold. So right in there, I'm bypassing all of this stuff down here. The solenoid just sits there, doesn't do anything anymore, and all of this other stuff is just capped off. So yeah, let's just undo this, put the new one on, and hopefully it makes a lot of noise. If you haven't seen one of these, this is the TurboXS RFL, which stands for really fucking loud blow-off valve. About the same size as that. It's going to mount this way, but should be pretty cool. Now the only thing I have seen is that it's possible that we're going to have to add some washers into the spring area to make this thing close correctly and let the car idle right, but hopefully we don't have to do that, but we'll find out. So that should be it. So we've got the line running straight over to the intake manifold. I need to get another clamp for here, which I'll put on in a little bit, but we're going to test this out and see if this opens properly. Alright, so let's take this thing for a drive and we'll see how it sounds. It should sound pretty damn cool. Oh my God, guys, that sounds so awesome. I can't, wow. That That's way better than the HKS little chirp of a bird tweeting thing. This is exactly what it needed. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. But that's all from me for now, guys. Until next time, take it easy.